So after a long summer of using sunscreen and being out in the sun, we might find our skin is feeling a bit congested. So this is a fantastic look in our foundation meets skincare, which is Blemish Busters. This is a collection of 100% natural cosmetic products that are gonna help you to clear that congestion and have that skin looking absolutely beautiful. What do you reckon?
Yes.
Let's bust those blemishes. We're going to select a primer. Now we're going to use the Correct and Evens. You'll see it has a very soft green tint. We're going to apply this to the skin. Now watch, you don't need much, just a subtle green hue that helps to color correct, cover any unevenness, redness, pigmentation or dark spots. And once you put your foundation over the top, it's gonna help us bring that skin back to a nice, clear and even complexion. This product has papaya extract, green tea, as vitamins A and E, so it's really, really nourishing and perfecting to the skin. Next, we're going to cover all of our sins with our anti-aging correcting concealer. This is a fantastic product that now has coffee seed extract in it, which is really great for helping to reduce the puffiness around the eyes. It also contains things like avocado oil and kakadu plum, so it really is an amazing product. We're going to apply with the doe foot applicator. Around the eyes, it is really important to have products like this which are lightweight, because if it sits too heavy, it will accentuate the fine lines and wrinkles or the crepiness of someone's eyes. So just blending it out anywhere that you have a little bit of extra concerns. Now we're going to talk about the hero of Nude by Nature, the Natural Mineral Cover. Now this product has been a #1 seller for nearly 15 years, and it's because of one thing. It works. It's absolutely incredible at covering blemishes, making you look gorgeous, flawless and even, buildable from sheer right through to medium to full cover even, and I love it. But today, we are going to try the new variant of the Natural Mineral Cover, the Blemish Control. Now, not only does this contain the same amazing ingredients like the kakadu plum, the jojoba esters and the kaolin clay, now this also contains salicylic acid, which is clinically proven to purify blemish-prone skin. So, it's a fantastic little addition. Shall we try it?
Yes.
The best way to apply this, so you've got the mesh sifter, which I absolutely love. You take your mineral brush, press it down on top of the mesh, pick up the powder on top, tap it in so it's not sitting on top, and then we're going to gently press it into the complexion. Now, I don't buff until I've unloaded the product onto the skin. By laying the product down on the skin, you get faster coverage, you get less mess. Once the brush is empty, we then gently smooth it into the complexion. And there we have it, our look 3 of foundation meets skincare, Blemish Busters. This truly is a look that's going to help with your skin if you struggle with congestion or anything that's sort of uneven. This feels beautiful and looks amazing. How's it feel?
Amazing.
This truly is where foundation meets skincare.